Hey, what's up everybody? This video is my journey to KTA on Palani Avenue to get my favorite Spam Musubi on the Big Island next to the ones I make. And KTA has it. So I went in early morning to pick up my Spam Musubi because it's going to be a hard day of manual labor trying to work on our lot in Ocean View. So they have the Spam Musubi, oddly enough, at the bakery counter. So it's all the way down at the end of the store. And the reason why I like this Spam Musubi is the rice. The rice is super good and it's really fresh. And the other thing is, it's huge. And there the Spam Musubi right on top the counter of the at the bakery counter. So, oh, they only have the singles. I'm kind of bummed. I like to get the double pack. So they have this Terry Spam Musubi, and I'm gonna get 2 of them. And they also have one with chicken wings, which you can see over there. There's a Spam Musubi and some chicken wings. I don't get that. 2 Spam Musubi. That's all I need. And got my breakfast. Head back to the counter, and I have to pick up my beverage of champions, my Diet Mountain Dew. That is my staple for my sodas. So get my Diet Mountain Dew, and time to head off and pay. I've always really liked shopping at KTA. I mean, where are you gonna go on Oahu in Honolulu and find decent fishing gear at the market? What's cool about KTA is, everybody's pretty friendly and they have a pretty good stock. The prices are okay, but their prepared foods are really delicious. My only kind of pet peeve is they use a lot of plastic for the food. I wish it was in a more eco-friendly container. But all that being said, it's time to head on out. I headed to my car, trying to get in. It's a little bit challenging trying to film and open the door and not drop all my stuff. So there's a bad boy. Check that bugger out. Look how big that thing is. It looks like a little brick. 2 layers of rice, the Spam, the furikake, twice as big as the 7-Eleven Spam Musubi. So I'm stuck at the light, taking a couple bites of my Spam Musubi. Oh, look at that. So delicious, the furikake in the middle. Thanks for watching, and aloha.